hello, bonjour, buenos dias. Good day, guten Tag, konnichiwa. Ciao, shalom, dobre dien. Hello to all the children of the world. Olá em vários idiomas para todas as crianças do mundo. Hello to all the children of the world. Yesterday was Monday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Then Sunday comes again. Nicole, yesterday was Monday. What day is today? Say, today is Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday.
Okay. And yesterday, the date was the 14th. 14th. If yesterday, see ontem, ó, yesterday was 14th. What day is today? What is the date today? Let's see. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What number comes after 14? 15. So, yes, so today, today is 15 of what month? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. What is the month? Do you know? Is it? Let's see. What month? September. September. Very good, Nicole. You found September. So guys, let's repeat. Today is Tuesday, 15th of September. That's right. Are you ready for a video?
Yes.
Here we go. Vamos ver qual é o tema de hoje. Let's share the sound para a gente poder escutar direitinho. Here we go. Ó. Make it big. Vamos aumentar a tela. And here we go.
What's in the window? Can you see?
What's in the window? Can you see? Ó. This is a window. What's in the window? Can you see? Você consegue ver? Can you see? Vamos ver se vocês conseguem adivinhar, hein? Ready, Nicole? Ready, guys?
Boys and girls, come and look with me. Let's all look together so we know what's in the window. Ready, let's go.
Let's go.
I wonder what's in the red window.
What's in the
Let's
red
take a look.
window? It's a...
Do you know what it is?
What it is? What is it?
It's a cow.
It's a cow. Let's repeat.
What's in the window? Can you see?
Sorry, guys. Say, it's a cow. It's a cow.
Boys and girls, come and look with me.
Okay.
Let's take a look in the blue window.
Blue window.
I wonder what it is. It's a cat.
Let's repeat. It's a cat. Very good, Nicole. And you, você acertou? Cat.
What's in the window? Can you see? Boys and girls, come and look with me. Let's try the yellow window. What is it? It's a dog.
It's a dog. Very good, Nicole. And you? Did you guess? Vocês acertaram? Dog.
What's in the window? Can you see? Boys and girls, come and look with me. Let's take a look in the green window. Do you know what it is? It's a duck. What's in...
Very good. It's a duck. It's a duck. Here, I have a duck here. It's a duck.
The window, can you see? Boys and girls, come and look with me. Let's look in the purple window.
Is it a horse?
No, it's
Listen.
What is it?
Is it a horse? No, it's not. Very good, Nicole.
It's a donkey.
It's a donkey.
What's in the window, can you see? Boys and girls, come and look with me. Let's take a look in the orange window. What is it?
How do we say bear in English? It's a
It's a sheep.
It's a sheep. It's a sheep. Let's repeat, Nicole. Let's repeat, guys. It's a sheep. It's a sheep.
Looking in the window, there's lots to see. Thank you, everybody, for helping me. Thank you, everybody. Now we know what's in the window. It's time to go.
Good job, guys. You are great. Now, let's see. How many can you see? What's this? Do you remember? Is it a chicken or a sheep? Say, it's a sheep. And the question is, what's this? Quando a gente quer saber o que é, ó. What's this?
It's a sheep.
Okay, now I'm going to put many sheep here. Nicole, everybody, how many sheep? Oh, how many? Let's count.
Yes.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11. So there are 11 sheep at the farm, na fazenda. There are 11. Nicole, show me number 11, please, over there. I see 11 sheep. What do you see? What do you see? I see 11 sheep. I see 11 sheep. Very good. Now, Nicole, thank you very much. What animal is this?
It's a duck.
And you, let's repeat. It's a duck. That's right. Now, I will put lots and lots of ducks together. Vou colar aqui monte, ó. Tan, 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 tan. Não tem mais não. Only these. Okay, Nicole. And you. How many ducks can you see? Let me put them together, okay? How many ducks can you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. There are 8 sheep at the farm. There are 8 sheep. So, Nicole, how many sheep, how many ducks? Sorry, ducks. How many ducks can you see? How many?
8.
Say, I see 8 ducks. I see 8 ducks. All right. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had ducks. What is the sound of the duck, Nicole? What is the sound of the duck? Quack, quack, quack. Now listen, listen. Moo. What's this? What's this? Is it a horse? Is it a duck? Is it a cow? What's this?
It's a cow.
It's a cow. Oh, 1 second, Nicole. It's one cow. So I say it's a cow. But look, one and more. Here, help me, Nicole. Put it here. Put them here. Oh my! There isn't one. There are many cows. There are many cows. Let's count. How many cows?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
There are 8 cows. But if I take one, o que vai acontecer se eu tirar uma? 8 minus 1 is?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
7, only 7. Okay, so 8 minus 1 is 7. Where's number 7? Now, there are 7 sheep. Sheep? What are these? Cows. There are 7 cows. Ó, quero ver se vocês estão ligados nos nomes. There are
7 cows.
7 cows. So how many cows can you see? I see 7 cows. I see 7 cows. Can you hear that sound? Oink, oink. What is that? Is it a horse? Is it a donkey? What is that, Nicole? What is that sound? Pigs. Okay, but look. When we have one, we say, it's a sheep. When we have many, we say, they are sheep. Sheeps? Pigs. It's a pig. They're pigs. It's a pig. They're pigs. Os nomes confundem, né? Temos que ter atenção, ó. Attention. Now let's count. How many pigs? This time, Nicole, ó, count in your mind, ok? Vamos ver se vocês contam direitinho sem a ajuda da Nicole. Count, Nicole, in your mind, ok? We have 6 plus 6 plus 1. How many pigs are there? How many pigs are there? Ready? You can count pointing. Já sabem quantos? How many pigs are there? Nicole is still counting, and you? $12 or 13?
13.
13. Get to number 13, Nicole. Let's see. Let's look at number 13. Come. There are 13 pigs. There are 13 pigs. Excellent. Good job. Okay. Now, how many chickens are there? How many, Nicole? One. There is only one. Apenas uma. There's only one. Okay, guys. Good job. Now let's get to the activity. What is the activity today? Qual é a atividade hoje, ó? This is the activity today. Okay? Everybody grab your pencil. Here, Nicole, your pencil. Ah, I forgot that one. This is very important. Tinha, ó, goat. There are 2 goats. There are 2 goats. So attention here, because I also have goats. So here, the first one, já tá dando um exemplo. Is it a donkey or a duck?
Duck.
It's a duck. So cross out the word duck. Mas, teacher, já tá marcadinha a letrinha. Ok, é só um treino. Ok, now number 2. Number 2. Is it a chicken or a cow?
Cow.
Chicken or cow?
Cow.
It's a cow. So ready? Steady, go. It's a cow. Nicole está fazendo dela. E você está fazendo o seu? Ok. Number 3. Is it a goat or a duck? Is it a goat or a duck? What's this?
Goat.
Very good. It's a goat. Ó. It's a goat. It's a goat. All right. Now number 4. Is this a chicken or a sheep?
Chicken.
Chicken or sheep?
Chicken.
It's a chicken. Okay, cross out. It's a chicken. Number 5. Is it a sheep or a cow?
Sheep.
Is it a sheep or a cow?
Sheep.
It's a sheep. It's a sheep. Okay, look. It's a sheep. Now the last one. Is it a chicken or a donkey?
Donkey.
It's a donkey. That's right. It's a donkey. So number 1. Now you tell me, what's number 1? It's a duck. Number 2. It's a cow. Number 3. It's a goat. Number 4. It's a chicken. Number 5. It's a sheep. Number 6. It's a donkey. Okay, now look. Oh my, everybody is black. They are all in shapes. Estão todos em formatos. They are in shapes. Oh my. Number 1, it's a chicken. Ó, look and write. Look and write. Nós vamos escrever os nomes. Para quem já consegue escrever, listen to Teacher Michelle. Vocês vão me escutar soletrando e vão colocar as letrinhas. Se não souber, espera eu terminar que eu vou mostrar. Aí você pausa o vídeo, ó, stop, e copia, tá bom? So, number 1, it's a chicken. And number 2, look at number 2. What's this, Nicole? Is it a horse or a donkey?
Donkey.
It's a donkey. So let's write the word donkey. Are you ready? Estão com lápis na mão? Here, Nicole, number 2. Ready? 6, okay? Over here, 6, letter D. O. N. K. E. Y. Again, repeat please. Oh, teacher, repita por favor. Repeat please. 6 letters. Let's go. D. O. N. K. E. Y. Se não souber, pausa agora, tá bom? 3, 2, 1. Donkey. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Okay. Number 2, look. Nicole did it. Donkey. Number 3. What's this?
Duck.
It's a duck. Ready? Duck is easy, only 4 letters. D. U. C. K. Repeat, please. D. U. C. K. Duck. Quack, 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 quack. It's a duck.
Quack, quack.
D. U. C. K. Duck. Yes, you can stop the video. Pode pausar o vídeo se precisar. Okay? Very good, Nicole. You did it, Nicole. Now, number 4. What's this? Is it a cow? Is it a donkey? Is it a horse? What's this? Qual é o nome, você sabe? What's this? It's a cow. It's a cow. Very good. Cow, it's easy, ó. Three letters. Are you ready? Let's go, Nicole. C. Vocês também conseguem. Let's go. C O W. Olha que fácil. C O W. Cow. Say, I did it.
I did it.
C O W. It's a cow. Great job, Nicole. Now, number 5. Is it a donkey or a goat? Is it a donkey or a goat? Who goes? Donkey or goat? Is it a donkey or a goat?
Não.
Olha bem, olha a barbichinha dele, ó. What's this? What is number 5? It's a goat. It's a goat. Are you ready? Let's go. G O A T, ó. 4. G O A T. It's a goat. G-O-A-T. It's a goat. And now the last one. What is the last one?
8.
Number 6. What is it? Já tô com a palavrinha na mão. It's a sheep. It's a sheep, Nicole. Did you say 8? Number 8? Number 6. Number 6. Sheep. Let's go. Sheep has 5. S. H. Double E. Lembra quando a mesma letrinha se repete? We say double E. E. Letter P. Again. S. H. Double E. P. Are you ready? Did you do it? Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Good job, guys. You are great. Now, how many in all? Lembra que outro dia a gente fez a subtração, ó, subtraction. A gente estava tirando. Today, we're going to add. Vamos somar juntos? Essa página vocês não têm, vocês não vão fazer essa, vocês vão fazer junto comigo e com Nicole. Ready? Olha o exemplo. How many in all? Quantos no total? Look,
1.
I have 1. No, look, Nicole, I have 1. I get 2 more. 1 plus 2 is 3 in all. No total, ó. In all. So, Nicole, help me here. Me ajudem também. How many sheep how many chicken do I have here?
2.
So put number 2. Vamos pensar juntos. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. E aí, gente, quem pode me dizer o resultado de 2 plus 2? How many chickens? Let's see.
2 plus
2 plus 2 is?
4.
You can say 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. Vamos aprender a fazer matemática na cabecinha em inglês. Oh my! Okay, 4. Now look, Nicole. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, I have 4 chicken. Go, Nicole. 4. 4 plus 4 plus 1. How much is 4 plus 1? Let's see, I have 4. I get one more. How much is it, Nicole? 4 plus 1. Já sabem? Nicole ainda está aprendendo. Ela vai fazer ainda 6 anos. And you? Já sabe? 4 plus 1 is? Vocês já sabem? 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. No nosso encontro online, a gente vai praticar juntos. Quero ver quem está fazendo matemática em inglês. Ok. Now here I have 3 plus 2. How much is 3 plus 2? Enquanto a Nicole escreve, você já sabe me dizer? How much is 3 plus 2? Let's see. I have 3 chicken. I get 2 more. 5. 3 plus 2 is 5 in all. 3 plus 2 is 5 in all. Okay, now the last one. I have 2. I get 4 more. So 2 plus 4. E aí? How much is 2 plus 4? Here, Nicole. How much is 2 plus 4? Você sabe me dizer quanto que dá? 2 plus 4 is? I have 4. 5. 6. That's right. 2 plus 4 is? 6. Easy pie. Essa foi fácil, né, turma? Só pra gente praticar. A teacher colocou uns bem fáceis, porque eu sei que é inglês. But practice makes perfect. A prática traz a perfeição. Bye, bye, guys. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Nos vemos. Bye, bye.